Oh my gosh, guys, I'm at this estate sale in a gated community. I literally had to circumnavigate this community to get to this estate sale. But what's up and what's glorious, guys? As you guys can tell, it's your house with the most, Paul Cantu, with a brand new estate sale video. And again, a very classy and obviously wealthy neighborhood. The security guard with the buck tooth had to give my info for me to even pull up in the first place. So yeah, let's see what we can find on today's estate sale adventure. Oh my gosh, the lighting in here is horrible. Tripping. But you guys know I had to find that turtle. This is my spirit creature, and it makes sense when I am rocking the Maryland Terrapins crew neck. Wow. This house is insane. The master bedroom is crazy. They have a built-in fish tank. Nice. They know the philosophy about the fishes. Now, two things that I really like are these like wicker basket laundry baskets. I may get those. And then I found some Louis Vuitton purses. I don't need to check the authenticity on these guys. All right, so I was looking at these purses, and yeah, the one with the marijuana logos obviously is bootleg. Tripping. But I mean, it has the fraying and cracking all in the leather, which should not be happening if it was legitimate. So I think I'm gonna leave it. They also got the Dooney and Burke, baby. What up? But, oh, new weave? What's up? One thing that I do like is this Louis Vuitton, like, strap. I don't know, I might throw this on my camera, like, high key. Yo, check this out, man. So underneath the table, they have a whole bunch of plushes, but look at Minnie Mouse. Bro, I love when they have the plastic heads. It does indicate age. This one definitely is older. Originally 10 bucks. Dude, she cute as hell. And they also have these, creepy little dudes. Wait, hold on. This puppet is rocking a Tommy Hilfiger, Tom Nee jeans. Bro, that's crazy. These are like puppets, bro. I remember watching these creepy puppet shows when I was a kid. Bring back nightmares. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little home tour real quick.
Hey, Marco.
Look at the beautiful, fancy decor in here. This is a fancy house overall. Nice kitchen, very cool living room, bunch of clocks in case you need help timekeeping. This interesting little cart, heavily varnished, delicious. But I really want to show you guys the bathroom in here, because the bathroom is crazy if I can find it. Oh yeah, look at this bathroom, dude. All mirror tiled mosaic. Hey, with the chandelier, of course. Dude, this is way ahead of its time. Oh my gosh. Dude, what's crazy is there's one story, two stories, and then tree stories.
I'll drill y'all.
It's a big house. They have like a whole recording studio up here. Looks like something straight out of a spy novel. They have a jungle over here, Coca-Cola borders, and then these are sick. They have the Star Trek Generation dolls, or figurines. And they got my boy LeVar Burton in the building. And then they have these cool like Tonka trenchers, metal toys. So I'm gonna see what they want for those. But yeah, it's nuts up here. But look at these, man. These look delicious. Wow. Love to put my mouth on that one time. All right, jumped in the garage, dude. The garage is pure chaos, man. It's crazy in here. I found this cool gas can though. Probably gonna grab this. I always like having these. But yeah, you really got to dig in to find stuff in here. It's an adventure. All right, so I've been digging in the garage. My black pants are now like a nice, have a nice ashy complexion to them, bro. Need to put some damn cocoa butter lotion on my denim. But there's this woven like wicker basket chair that I think I definitely want. And then there also is this round gas can that is awesome. Woo. And all right, guys, so we're out of there, man. That house and sale was crazy. The things I got were, of course, the 2 gasoline cans and the wicker basket chair that's tucked away back there. But yeah, let's proceed to the next. All right, guys, welcome to my office. So we're in the other one, and they have some golden pirate ships, all types of golden accented encrusted pieces, more ships. But I actually am gonna get this little metal case, or a case, I guess like a rack. You guys know it's Paul Plant 2 season, so if I can put a plant on it, I'm gonna grab it. Okay? Dang, this could be us, but you playing.
This could be us, but you playing.
Tripping. Wow. Look at this. Fraudulent flower encrusted. One other thing I had to grab was this cool little rolling rack. Gonna put some plants on that bad boy. And it's all gold. All gold everything. But yeah, so I'm getting 4 tables, you guys. Some for the patio. This one might be an end table. Might put a suitcase on the top of it. I don't know. I think it'll look crazy and cool. So yeah, I love gold. Getting a bunch of tables in here. All right, guys. So that house didn't have all too much to look at, but I managed to come away with those 4 golden tables, and I got all of them together total for 27 bucks. So not too bad. I mean, this is stuff that I kind of need for the crib, like essentials. So I mean, when decorating a house on a budget, what better place than estate sales? For real. All right, guys, so we're in the Goodwill right now, and we got some crippin' craziness happening. Now, I came back to the same location because the cashier told me this hat was $5, and she made the price up off the top of her head. So it's still here 2 weeks later, because why? Because she was tweaking, and I told y'all no one else would get this hat aside from me. So I'm back, and if we have to, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pull a Karen and talk to the manager. But yeah, to match the hat, dude, you got the Polo Ralph Lauren trunks as well. Oh, yo, it's litty, bruh. Look at the Polo section. Dude, that's Ralph level. This one's colorway is actually sick. I might contemplate grabbing it. But this knit, little 100% wool, straight off a lamb's back. Polo piece is crazy, bro. And then you guys know, man, we stay with the crabs. I got crabs. Hey, bro, if you got an itch, I'll scratch it. Feel me?
You speak Gaelish?
Check out this crazy crab button up, and the brand name is even better. Bro. All right, guys, so I just talked to the manager. She confirmed the hat was $3, but check this out, dude. Got the Sports Illustrated NFL Insider 94. Got that boy Emmitt Smith. Emmitt Smith.
Emmitt Smith. I just touched down on them pussy niggas. Touchdown.
Guys, that is litty, baby. You got that Honey Winnie the Pooh with the back script on there. Bro, defecating like a boss. The Disney store made in Taiwan. This is for a child, but hey, I can hold it for my future accident. Look at this. Just big chilling. You got the Chicago Bulls vintage snapback right here. One size fits all. Bro, that shit is tough. Let's go. Guys, run it up. Check this out. You got that Aquaberry Adidas vintage crew neck. Let's go, man. Get your antioxidants right. Man, that berry flavor. Holy hell, dude. This is a nice piece. And it got that turtleneck, or that turp neck, as we call it. Bruh, that's nice. That's real nice. I'm actually coming up in here today, dude. We're getting loaded down. Bruh, then backdoor that with the vintage Dallas Cowboys. Hold up. Really matching that Emmitt Smith VHS I just found. Hanes Activewear. Dang, dude, this is like straight up basketball texture. That's a little bit confusing. Cross sport hybridization going on. Hey, I'll take it though. All right, dude, once again, yo, we out of there. Bro, that Goodwill susses me out though. I just went to the register with the hats. The manager confirmed they were $3, right? When I go to the register, both the cashiers hit me with the $5, and the lady I had an incident with last time was literally like, it's $5, it's $5, it's $5. So then they call the other manager, who I hadn't talked to. She just backs them up, really for no apparent reason. And then the other manager comes up and is like, no, they're $2.99. She said they're only $5 if it's like a brand new Astros hat. So I'm sitting here like, where are they getting these price discrepancies from? And then I described the jacket I got last time in here that the lady tried to charge me $10 for, and the manager's like, oh yeah, that's supposed to be $6. So it's just this particular cashier, man. I don't even know, but bruh. Yeah, give me the loot. All right, guys, so I decided to make one brief stop at the Salvation Army Family Thrift Store. Let's see what's good over there. Guys, check it out, man. Just hopped in here and look what they got. They got the Bob Marley tie-dye tee. Now they are trifling on the price, but I think it's half off. I mean, that original price is absurd. But then also in my size, dude, they got the Nike Cortezes, white with the black check. Bro, these are kind of clean, man. Dude, I might have to for $8. All right, man. Dude, it's lit. So I just stopped in and got these two items real quick. Now we're out of there. I guess I'll go home, clean up the shoes, set up the room with the furniture I got, and call it a day. Let's do it. And alrighty, guys, so the day I shot that video was actually Valentine's Day, but I'm gonna show y'all how I set everything up in my room. Now obviously everything is not fully developed. This room is in its infancy, but we have a thrifted lamp on the table I got at the estate sale. So I kind of just use those tables as some cool in-table type of vibes. You guys know, Plan 2 in the building. I told y'all I was not playing, all right? So then we have another table right here as my end table, obviously. And then I put the little cart right up against the wall, and it has a couple of magnificent plant species all over it. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the vibe I was going for in the room, and that's how I use the tables. Obviously, I needed them, and as time goes on, this room will develop. And yeah, it'll just be looking fine and dandy. There's a nice little shelf setup I got going on right there. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, like, comment, and subscribe. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Check out my vintage website, thrift-vintage.com. It is heavily stocked today, the day this video is releasing. And yeah, just check back every other day and it pretty much will be updated. So there it is. I'll see y'all next time. Locked and loaded, and I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.